Welcome, beautiful soul. In this moment, as you pause and breathe, know that you are exactly where you need to be. You are ready to align with the flow of life, to release what no longer serves you, and to step into your highest potential. Take a deep breath with me now. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs with calm energy, and exhale gently, releasing any tension that may have built up throughout your day. Let go of the worries, the stress, and feel your body relax deeper with every breath. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine yourself in a peaceful, tranquil forest. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of pine and earth, and the gentle rustling of leaves adds to the calm symphony of nature. With each breath, you feel more at peace, more grounded in the present moment. Picture a soft, golden light filtering through the trees, casting a warm, comforting glow all around you. This light surrounds you, wrapping you in a gentle embrace of serenity and warmth. Let this light fill your being, soothing every part of you, from the top of your head to the tips of your toes. Now, as you stand in this peaceful forest, you begin to feel a deep sense of connection to your inner self. You are aligned with the energy of the earth, and the universe is working with you, guiding you toward your dreams and desires. Take a moment to visualize your heart's truest wish. Picture it clearly, as if it's already happening in your life. Feel the joy, the excitement, and the gratitude of having it manifest right now. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of success, of love, of abundance. With every breath, you're drawing this vision closer to you. You're attracting everything you need in perfect harmony and flow. The universe supports you in this manifestation, and the forest around you is alive with energy, supporting your journey. Repeat these affirmations silently or aloud in your mind, knowing that they are becoming your truth. I am worthy of all the abundance and success the universe has to offer. I am connected to the infinite energy of the universe, and it flows through me with ease. I am calm, centered, and open to receiving my heart's desires. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is working out for me in perfect timing. I am deserving of peace, love, and happiness, and I welcome them into my life. Feel the power of these words as they resonate deep within your soul. Know that every time you repeat them, they become more and more your reality. You are creating your life with your thoughts, words, and intentions. Now, let's take a moment to release anything that might be standing in your way. Any negative beliefs or limiting thoughts that you've been holding on to, let them go. Feel them releasing, floating away like leaves on the wind. Allow the peaceful forest to absorb them, transforming them into healing energy. With every exhale, feel the weight lifting from your shoulders, your mind clearing. You are free to step into the life you desire, free to live with purpose, passion, and joy. Let go of all doubts, fears, and insecurities. They have no place in your beautiful journey. As you continue to breathe deeply and peacefully, know that you are on the path to greatness. Every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Your manifestations are already on their way to you, and the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. You're in complete harmony with the flow of life. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the peace and gratitude filling your heart. You are ready to step forward with confidence, knowing that everything you desire is already yours. Trust the journey, trust yourself, and trust the timing of the universe. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this feeling of peace and manifestation with you. Carry it with you throughout your day, knowing that you are aligned and supported by the universe.